Everyone, I hope you are absolutely great. In this video, I'll show you how you can unlock Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra carrier lock. So this is very easy and simple method. I'll show you step by step how you can do that. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. To this unlock the Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use different tools. So today I'll use samkey tool, so which is really common. So first of all, you have to search samkey. Then you have to go that official samkey website, samkey.org. Then you have to search here, type your model number, the device you want to unlock. Make sure you type here local model number. My one is S928B. So as you can see, it's showing here and it's requiring 15 credit. So that means if I want to unlock my device, I must need 15 credits or more than that. So if I scroll down, so as you can see, you can buy credit from here directly from their official website, but I'll show you alternative option how you can buy if you have lot of order, if you have bulk order, so you can do this. So there's lot of different website you can buy. So I have a trusted website, you can check it out. So first of all, you have to search unlockplan.com. so as you can see, so you have to type here unlockplan.com. so once you go there, you have to go server service and you have to type here samkey. So once you type samkey, the first one you have to select and you can buy from here credit. So minimum you have to buy 30 credit and 30 credit cost is around 39.30 USDT. so it's cheaper than the official website, because those website owner actually buy bulk order, I mean lot of orders, so that's why. So once you get that username and password, so this is my username and password. Once you get username and password, you have to download the samkey tool. So I already have downloaded in my computer, so I don't need that anymore. I'm going to show you how you can do this. I hope you guys know how to install the tool. So once you install, and you have to log in the tool, and as you can see, my credit showing 30 credit balance. And once you log in successfully, then you have to agree with the terms and condition. And if you look back here, right side, right corner down here, read info ADB and make sure your device is enabled ADB. If you guys don't know how to enable ADB, you can check out my previous video. As you can see, my device is reading ADB. So once you success this step, then you have to click read code/unlock. So once you click here, it will take some time, and during this time your device might restart multiple times. If it is okay, you have to click here okay, because it's asking for 15 credit, and you click okay, then it will take some time. Okay, so during that time, if your device restart multiple times, don't worry, it will be fine. So this is very easy and simple method. If you guys face any kind of issues, you can contact with me. I will best try to help you guys. Or if you guys need that username and password, you can contact with me. I will give you through WhatsApp. So as you can see, it's asking for a few minutes. So wait for a few minutes. As you can see, this tool successfully generated that unlock code and MCK code as well. So if you guys type wrong unlock code lot of times, that time your device might require MCK code. As you can see down there is a MCK code as well. So that's how you can unlock any Samsung smartphone carrier lock. So this is very easy and simple method. Even though if you guys face any kind of issues, don't worry, you can contact with me. So I'll best try to help you guys. Now you can use any SIM card in this device. Now I'm going to insert a new SIM card and show you is it working or not. As you can see, now internet network dekhachhe. So that's how you can do it. Any device, included any Samsung device. So thank you.